Kylie here today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a regular old Dutch braid that looks so hard but is so simple. A lot of people don't know how to do Dutch braids, but they're so easy and simple that you'll get the hang of it right away. So this is a video teaching you guys how to do a pancaked version of a Dutch braid, which is basically just like a little more fluffed out, I guess, kind of version of a Dutch braid. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more hair tutorials, please like this video and subscribe down below. Now let's get on with the video. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a Dutch braid. A Dutch braid is basically the inverse way of doing a French braid. So to start off, it's just like a normal braid. You would divide it into three pieces, as you can probably see. And you want to comb them out because you want them as nice and flat as you possibly can get them, depending on if you want a tight braid or a loose braid. What you're going to do, a normal braid, you would be bringing the outside pieces in, as you see here. But when you're doing a Dutch braid, the middle piece always comes out. So this middle piece right here will always come out, and then this middle piece will always come out. So that's basically what you're doing for the Dutch braid. I'm going to start off with my first strand. So you can see the braid's already starting. Now I'm going to grab a piece of hair from this side, comb it out so that it looks nicer. I'm going to comb out all my other pieces so that they're laying down pretty nice. So now I have a new middle piece. I'm going to also grab a piece of hair on this side, bring it and conjoin it to that side. Now this new middle piece goes onto the outside. And when you're doing Dutch, you always want to hold the pieces as tight as possible. So now I'm already set up with the piece that I grabbed. Now I just bring it under. Now this right piece that I just took from the outside is now in the middle. I will grab another piece of hair, conjoin that in. You can see the 3 strands I have now. And now this middle piece is going to go off to the right. Now you just repeat this process over and over again. Like I said again, you're pulling things from the right to become in the middle. And you're going to grab some hair. And then you're going to grab the pieces from the left into here. Just keep on repeating this process. So now as I'm coming down to the bottom, I'm going to be securing this with an elastic. Usually I use elastics just because it's a smaller portion of hair. Now if you want to keep the braid more tight and sporty looking, then you can keep it like this. But if you're looking for more like a teen style, you can pancake it, which many people like to do. So also it kind of went like crazy at the top a little bit, I would say, because it started to swerve. So this can also help. So you basically just want to pull the pieces. That's what I'm doing. And you can pancake it as much as you want. I like to pancake it quite a bit. You obviously don't need to pancake it as much as I did, but if you're looking for a little more school look or something that you won't be moving around as much, not sporty or just kind of an artsier look, you can go for this kind where you pancake it. I hope you all enjoyed this video of me teaching you how to do a pancake Dutch braid. It's so easy, like I said. If you guys want to see more easy hair tutorials, comment down below and like this video and subscribe to see more. Comment down below what kind of hair tutorials you want to see next, and I will see you guys next week. Peace out.